Question number 13. Today we are going to start 8G and till 12 we have completed from 13 onwards. So in question number 13, a man purchased a car for rupees 1,35,000 and spent 25,000 on repair. At what price was the car sold if he suffered 10% loss on it? So what is the CP of car? That is 1,35,000. What is repairing charge? 25,000. The total CP will be how much? 1,35,000 plus 25,000, which is 1,60,000. This is the total CP. Now, loss is of 10%. So what will be SP of car? CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. So 1,60,000 into 100 minus 10 upon 100. From here 0 will be cancelled out. 100 minus 10, 90. 1,600 into 90, that is equal to 1,44,000. Okay students, then what will be the SP of the car at which he has to sell? That will be 1,44,000. Clear? Now see question number 14. Sudhir earned a profit of 20% by selling 60 apples at the rate of 42.50 for 5 apples. Find the total cost at which the apples were bought. So, cost of 5 apples is equal to 42.50. Then cost of 60 apples is equal to 42.50 upon 5 into 60. So 5 12s are 12 0 0, 12 5 is 60, carry 6, 12 2 is 24, 24 plus 6 30, carry 3. 12 was a 40, 49, 50, 51. ₹510 cost of 60 apples. Find the total cost at which where the apples bought. So this is your SP, na? SP. This is your SP. SP of 5 apples and SP of 60 apples. Now CP of 60 apples is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus profit, 100 plus profit percent. 510 into 100 upon 100 plus profit means 120. 0 0 cancel out. 5 3 4s are 3, 1s are 3, 7s are 3, 1s are 3 and 3 7s are 21. 5 2 5s are and 2 2s are 2 85s are. So you will have 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 44, 25. That way what rate it will be? Cost rupees 425. Once more, SP of 5 apple is 42.50. The SP of 60 apple 42.50 into 60 by 5, which is equal to 510. CP of 60 apple SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. 510 into 100 upon 120, which is equal to 425. So CP of 60 apple will be 425. Now see question number 15. The CP of 16 pen is equal to the SP of 12 pen. Find the gain or loss percent. Let CP of 16 pen is equal to x. So Cp of 1 pen is equal to x by 16. Then Sp of 12 pens is equal to x. Sp of 1 pen x by 12. So which is more, x by 16 or x by 12? Which one will be more, x by 12? So you will have profit. So profit is equal to x by 12 minus x by 16, which is equal to 48. So 4 3s and 4 4s. 4x minus 3x, which is equal to x upon 48. This is a profit, and what will be the profit percent? X upon 48 into x upon 12 into 100. X and x cancel out, 12 goes on, 4 25. That means what will be the profit percent? 25%. Okay, again once more. Cp of 16 pen is x, Cp of 1 pen will be x by 16. Sp of 12 pen is x, so Sp of 1 pen will be x by 12. Which is more here? X by 12. The profit it will be, because the Sp is more, the x by 12 minus x by 16, 4x minus 3x upon 48, that is x upon 48. Then x upon 48 into x by 12 into 100, x cancel out, 12 goes and 4, 25 is 100. So it will be equal to 25%. Now comes question number 16. Okay, question number 16. If the selling price of 4 article is equal to cost price of 5 article, find the profit percent. Sp of 4 article is equal to x. Sp of 1 article x by 4. Cp of 5 article is equal to x. Cp of 1 article is equal to x upon 5. Now profit on article is equal to x by 4 minus x by 5, which is equal to 5x minus 4x upon 20 is equal to x by 20. Profit percent, x by 20 into x by 5 into 100. Cancel out 5 4s are 4, 25 means it will be equal to 25%. See once more, Sp of 4 article is equal to x, Sp of 1 article x by 4. Cp of 5 article is equal to x, Cp of 1 article will be x by 5. Profit on article will be x by 4 minus x by 5, which is equal to x by 20. The profit percent will be x by 20 into 5 by x into 100, which is equal to 25%. This is about the articles one. Question number 17. A fruit seller buys 700 oranges at the rate of 500 per 400 oranges, and another variety of 500 oranges at the rate of 700 for 100 oranges, and sell them at 84 per dozen. Find the profit percent. Cp of first 700 orange is equal to 500 means 100 is arranging for 500 into 700. 7 5 means total 3500. CP of first 75 or 700 oranges is 3500 and another variety of 500 oranges at the rate of 700 for 100 oranges. Then CP of second 500 oranges mm. 700 for 100. 700 upon 100 into 500. 7 5s are 3500. Total CP 3500 plus 3500 is equal to 7000. Now and sold them at 84 per dozen. SP of 12 oranges is equal to rupees 84. SP of 700 means 1200 oranges. That is 7000. Sorry, SP so 84 into 1200 that is equal to 8400. Okay, SP of 1200 oranges will be 8400. Okay, so what do you have to find? You have to find profit percent. So here you can see SP is more than CP. Once more, CP of first 700 oranges will be 500 upon 100 into 700, that is 3500. CP of second 500 oranges 700 upon 100 into 500, that is again 3500. Total CP will be 3500 plus 3500 7000. The SP of 12 oranges will be rupees 84. SP of 500 plus 700 oranges will be 85 upon 12 into 1200. That is equal to 8400. Now profit percent. The profit percent is equal to profit means SP minus CP. 1400. So, which is profit and profit percent 1400 upon 7000 into 100. 0 0 cancel out, 0 cancel out, 7 to the 20%. What is the profit here of 20%? See once more, a fruit seller buys 700 oranges at the rate of 500 per 100 oranges and another variety of 500 oranges at the rate of 700 for 100 oranges and sell them at 84 per dozen. So till here we have done. Only we have to find profit and profit percent. Profit will be 8400 minus 7000, that is 1400, and profit percent will be 1400 upon 7000 into 100, that is equal to 20%. Okay students, now come to question number 18. Some articles are bought at 6 for rupees 5 and sold at 5 for rupees 6. Find the gain percent. CP 6 article is equal to rupees 5. CP of 1 article is equal to 5 by 6. SP of 5 article is equal to rupees 6. SP of one article is equal to 6 by 5. Profit 6 by 5 minus 5 by 6, which is 36 minus 30, which is 6 upon 30. Okay, and profit percent, profit upon CP, so 6 upon 30 into CP. CP is 5 by 6, 5, and by 6 into 100. So you can see 6 5s are 5, 20s are 5, 4s are, means 6 4s are 24%. So what is the profit percent here? 24%. See once more, CP of 6 article is rupees 5, CP of 1 article 5 by 6, SP of 5 article 6 rupees, and SP of 1 article 6 by 5. The profit will be 6 by 5 minus 5 by 6, 36 minus 30 upon 30, that is 6 upon 30. 6 upon 30 into 6 by 5 into. Now see in question number 19, an article is sold at gain of 15% had it been sold for 27 more. The profit would have been 20%. Find the CP of the article. The CP of article at 15% is X. The CP of article at 20% will be how much? X plus 27. Okay, this is the difference coming. The difference in percent will be how much? 20 minus 15, that is 15%, and X plus 27 minus X, both cancel, will be equal to 27. So 5% of X is equal to 27. So X will be equal to 27 into 100 upon 5. 5 20s are and 27 2s are 540. So what will be your answer? Rupees 540. Now see the last question, question number 20. A dealer sold two types of goods at for rupees 10,000 each. On one of them he lost 20% and on another he gained 20%. Find his gain or loss percent on the entire transaction. A dealer sold two types of goods at 10,000 each. So 20. CP of two goods 20,000, 10,000 into 2, that is 20,000. SP at 20% loss. So what will be SP? Sold na SP. So CP at 20% loss. So SP into 100 upon 100 plus 20, which is equal to 10,000 into 100 upon 120. Sorry. Zero cancel out. 1 lakh upon 12. CP at 20% loss. Okay, so you have got this as CP at 20% gain and CP at 20% loss. So it is 1 lakh upon 12 and it is 1 lakh upon 80. Now what will be your total CP? What will be your total CP? Total CP is equal to 1 lakh upon 12 plus 1 lakh upon 80. 1 lakh upon 8. It will be 8 lakh plus 12 lakh upon 8 threes are and 3 twos are. Threes are 2 plus 3 5 lakh. 5 lakh upon 24. Now see question number 20. In question number 20 it is given a dealer sold 2 types of good for rupees 10,000 each. Okay, on one of them he lost 20% and on other he gained 20%. Find his gain or loss percent. So see it here, CP of good at profit 10,000 at 20% is how much? It will become 1 lakh upon 12, and CP of good at loss 10,000, it will become 1 lakh upon 8. Okay students, now let's see. Now see, total CP will be how much? 1 lakh upon 12 plus 1 lakh upon 8, that will be 2 lakh plus 3 lakh 5 lakh upon 24, which will be equal to 1,25,000 upon 6, which is equal to 62,500 upon 3. This is your total CP. Now what do you have to find? You have to find loss, because CP is more than the SP. Now you have to find the loss. Now what is the loss here? Loss is 62,503 upon minus CP, that is 20,000. And next it will become 62,500 minus 60,000 by 3. So your loss will be 2,500 by 3, and 2,500 by 3 into 2,500 by 3 into 100, where your 0 will be cancelled out with 25, 3 will be cancelled out, 25 hundreds and 25 6 25s and 25 4s. You will get how much loss? Loss percent will be 4%. Okay students, that's all for today, and have a good day. Thank you students.